Hello guys and welcome back to Unmasked Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the CS2 error code, failed to connect to matchmaking, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys are going to do is make sure that your network issue, like you don't have any network problems, like you're not disconnected to the Wi-Fi, and also restart your router if necessary. And if you don't know how to restart your router, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is unplug all of the wires out of the Wi-Fi router, wait 30 seconds to a minute, and then replug them back in. Once you replug the wires back in and your PC has been connected to the Wi-Fi, I recommend restarting your PC as well once you do that. And then once the PC has been turned on, go ahead and check to see if the error code has been fixed. The second method you guys can do is make sure that Steam has been updated. And if you don't know how to do update like Steam, all you got to do is just go over to Steam in the top left. If you click on exit, it will actually like update Steam automatically, and so that is something to keep in mind. So you guys can update Steam that way as well. And the third method you guys can do is go over to library, go over to CSGO 2, click on properties. From here, go over to, well, actually, I don't have the game installed, but if you actually have installed, it's going to be just click on the game, go to properties, and then go to installed files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. And then once this is done, you guys should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.